Oh my gosh, I need to tell Mom this. Hey, Mom. Yes, what is it, Chris Pine? There's something wrong with the microwave. It just, and then 7 and 8 and 9 were just broken and it's not working. Oh, let me check on that. Okay, go ahead, Mother. Oh no, Chris Pine, no! I'm sorry, okay? I told you it doesn't work and it's broken. So I'm sorry about that. No, wait, stop. See? The button doesn't work. That's why I broke it. You broke the fucking microwave! Stop doing that fucking... Say that! Okay? Ugh. Why are you yelling at me, Chris Pine? Because I had it with you, Mother! I'm going to play somewhere else! I'm gonna do my acting in the studio! I'm going. You're the fucking mother, and I just don't give a shit. See you around, asshole. Oh dear.